So, good evening, one and all. I am Mukund Sriram. So, today I'll be showing you the trades which I did today. Okay. So, today, as an expiry of weekly and monthly Nifty, I have done two trades. That is basically selling options. Okay. And I have used open interest analysis for trying the best out of the current market scenario. For example, during expiry, if you know how to play, then you will be right. So first of all, I would like to show you the margin I have. So basically today morning I had put 1,25,000 rupees in my account and I am started trading. I used around 30,000 rupees margin. So I'll come to that. So what are the two trades I did? First of all, let us see what was the market scenario today. So if you take Nifty 50, today the market was trading between 9336 and 9511. Okay. So during these two scenarios, what I did was, I'll show you. So today morning I had shorted 9300 put, okay, one lot for 5 rupees 50 paise and covered it for 2 rupee 95 paise since it was out of the money, and I had made a profit of 191 rupees. This is to show you the example, okay. And the next trade what I did was, in the afternoon around 1:45 p.m. I had shorted 9500 call. I shorted it for 7 rupee 55 paise and I bought it back at 1 rupee. Now let us see what is the scenario of 9300 put and 9500 call. If you see 9500 call, this is 9500 call. See, today's expiry 28th May, 9500 call closed at 0, around 0. That means I had got a profit of 75 rupees per 1 rupee, okay, per one share. So I had received 491 rupees in that trade, and another one 9300 put. I shorted it for around 5 rupee 50 paise and I covered it for 2 rupee 95 paise in the morning itself. But since it is also out of the money, what happened was it expired in 0. So what you can do is, if you take the open interest of Nifty and Bank Nifty, you can do trades using very little capital, like 1,50,000 or around 2 lakhs. If you have 2 lakhs, you can do all these kinds of trades. And if you have any queries, please DM me and I'll sort out your queries. And if you don't know derivatives, please let me know. I'll try to teach you people. But only one small suggestion: if you don't know derivatives, don't try to trade in derivatives because you may lose the entire capital. Thank you very much.